Okay, Mukesh. So as I told you in the beginning that I will be asking you a very basic question related to SAP FICO. So, this is the first round of the interview process. So once you are shortlisted here in this round, you'll have to attend in the second round of the interview, and uh, then you'll be asked more technical and more difficult questions. Okay, so this would be a very basic round. So first, I would like to know what is your concept about SAP FICO? How would you define SAP FICO?
Sir, can you first tell me what are the jobs and what is the job and what is the company name? And can you just brief me about the job description and company? So,
Okay, as I told you, Mukesh, that you'll get to know everything once you are shortlisted in the first round of interview. The company policy, and I cannot disclose the company information and other things in this round. Okay. Hello.
Yeah. Okay. Yes. I can understand.
Okay. So, can you please tell me something about SAP FICO?
So SAP FICO is the main module of the SAP. These are the related to the finance and controlling. So in the whatever these are the transactions, the financial transactions, and whatever is the controlling transaction will be made by the FICO module. FICO module is mainly basically from the all the financial reporting, financial data, and everything we have to do in the FICO model. That's
okay. Mukesh, can you tell me what is the importance of goods received or invoice received clearing account?
So whenever you do the P2P cycle, there is a invoice receipt is there. That is the Miro transaction. There is a Miro transaction. In that Miro transaction, there is a FI entry will be generated in that P2P cycle. That is the invoice receipt. That is the Miro transaction, and inventory receipt. That is the Migo transaction. These are the transactions there.
Okay, great. So my next question is, what are the baseline method and the decline balance method? Can you tell me about it?
Which one, sir?
What are the baseline method and decline balance method?
Sir, these are the depreciation methods, sir.
Okay, so my question is basically, what are the baseline method and what is decline balance method? Can you explain about these two methods?
So baseline method is nothing but you have to some mainly you have to some transaction is going on. So these are the some interest rate kind of thing. So you can define only the sub part of the things. So this is the baseline method. So means kind of you depreciate any assets. So there is a fixed depreciation rate. So you can calculate that depreciation with the same rate. That is the baseline method. And what is the decline method? Whenever you run the depreciation, the decline method will be it will be, what is this? Yeah, this is
okay. So imagine a user has posted wrong depreciation data for 10 assets. Okay. And the financial year is closed. Now, financial year is closed. Now, how will you rectify this issue and reset this data?
We explore the asset master, we can find out what is the wrong in that asset data. So we can find out all these things. First of all, we can post the entry for the reversal entry or something kind of stuff.
Okay. So my next question, while posting through APP, payment documents got terminated due to server shutdown. Okay. So how to start the terminated payment run?
I didn't understand what are your questions, sir?
Okay, I'm repeating. So am I clear to you, or there is some network
Yes,
issue?
I clear to you, but your accent is very difficult to understand.
Okay, okay. So I am repeating the question. While posting through APP, payment documents got terminated due to server shutdown. Okay.
Server shutdown.
How to start the terminated payment run?
Sir, it is not possible to. It is I think there is no termination of shutdown. So whenever you, if you post the entry, so entry will be stored. Okay, but if you not post the entry while you maintain the entry, the posting will be happen. But if you not post if you post while before the shutdown, it will be entry will be posted, sir. It will generate a document. You will find in the document workflow.
Okay, so uh, uh, can you tell me, Mukesh, so why did you choose SAP FICO as your career, or what is your future plan?
So what is my future plan? First, I am in. I'm start with I start with my graduation in a BCom, that is the Bachelor of Commerce. After that, I work with as an accountant in the one of the banking firm. After that, I to switch my career to the SAP, because SAP have a good career growth and everything in financial growth also. So that's why I switched my career to the SAP. I done my SAP FI certification. After that, I switched my career to the SAP. SAP have a good career and a financial growth also here in that SAP. So after my future plan, I have to go to I have to learn a lot of in the current scenarios and HANA and everything. I have to learn in the SAP. I have to do all the implementations and everything. I have to do. That is my first goal and
Okay, okay, very good. Thank you. Okay, so my next question. If we change the reconciliation account in the vendor master, okay, so what is the impact on the old balance?
Sir, first of all, the in the vendor master reconciliation account, it is not possible to change. First of all,
Okay.
so if you first of all, it's because the already is entry are posted. If the already entry are posted, so it is not possible to change the reconciliation account. So it is not posted in the, so you can change the reconciliation account. So whenever you as a program, when you do the help of developer, you can change the as a program. So what is the impact? So whenever the vendor master, the two types of vendor first of all you consider. First is a vendor is a domestic vendor, and second is the some kind of international vendor. So these are the complication. Complication and conflict is the this is the issue. The first of all, it is not possible to change the reconciliation account because it's already the entry is posted. So that's why.
Okay, okay, I understand. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Sir, tell me, sir, if I wrong or something.
Okay, so I'll not, I will not tell you anything about the answer or anything about it. So it will be actually verified by the technical persons. Okay.
Yeah.
And if you will get some feedback in the second round of the interview. If you are selected, then they will actually let you know if there is any wrong answer or anything like this. Okay. So in my round, actually, I'll be not telling you anything related to what you have said. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So my next question. So while uploading data, how
Mhm.
do we confirm that the data we have uploaded is correct?
Sir, which system, some ECC, there is a LSMW they are using to upload the data. In S4HANA, there is a LTMC and LTMOM, there is a tool for the uploading data. So whenever you upload the data, there is a two things, whenever you do the LTMC or whatever, or LSMW, there is two things. You have to first a test run.
Okay.
After that test run is completed, you have to check the test run is okay or not. So after that, you can do to the production run. So these are the things you have to first to check while uploading the data. After that, uploading the data, you have to match the balances with the your previous data and uploading data. You have to match the balances. So that's this procedure we have to confirm the all the balances on uploaded data is correct or not.
Okay. Okay. So let's move to the next question. As you know, while creating an asset master, we have two options. One is using asset classes, and another one is using an existing asset master. So my question is, what default values should be provided by asset class and existing asset master to a newly created asset master? Am I clear to you?
Means you want to know about the in that new asset master. Whenever you create a new asset master, can you just repeat the question?
Okay, my question is, what default values should be provided by asset class and existing asset
Uh,
master to a newly
uh,
created asset master? This is my question.
Newly created asset master. Sir, first is about the asset class, asset class number, and asset class name and asset class number, and whatever the descriptions of the asset class and I think we are providing.
Okay, okay, okay. So,
These are the default.
okay. So my next question: imagine you acquired an asset and
Hmm.
its useful life is 10 years. Okay.
Yes.
So now the client proposed its life to be 6 years only. Okay. So
Hmm.
how will you manage the time of depreciation?
You want to increase the time of include the year, right?
Yeah,
Increase the year,
yeah.
increase the useful year.
Hmm.
Sir, while uploading the master data, whenever you create a set, you have to maintain there to you have to increase or something. You have to maintain the whatever the useful life you have to maintain. Yeah.
Okay. So my
Mhm.
next question, imagine a company having different branches in each state and
Mhm.
having a unique bank account for each
Mhm.
branch under SBI. Okay.
Mhm. Mhm.
Next, should we create one house bank or create a house bank for each branch account?
Mhm.
Should we create one house bank or create a house bank for each branch account? Is my question clear to you?
Sir, sir, can you just repeat it once again?
Okay. I'm repeating the question. Imagine a company having different branches in each state and
Different
having a unique bank account for each branch under SBI. Okay.
under SPI. Okay.
Next, should we create one house bank or create a house bank
Hmm.
for each branch account?
No, sir. First, you create a one house bank that is the SBI.
Hmm.
But whatever the bank key you have to maintain in the different branches. Bank key, these are the different. Firstly, the SBI is the main. This is the main house bank. After that, you will create the account or bank key you have to maintain.
Okay. So can you tell me what is back order?
Which one?
what is back order?
Back order?
Yeah.
No, sir. I don't know.
Okay. Okay, Mukesh, thank you so much for joining this interview session. So, this interview has been recorded and it will be shared with the concerned company and they will verify your answer. And once you are
Yes.
shortlisted in this round, then they will ask you for the second round of the interview. And then this process will
Yes.
be going on and they'll let you know everything about the company. And you had some questions, so they'll clarify you everything regarding the
Yes.
job and how the process will be going on. Okay, so thank you
Yes.
so much for joining this interview, and I wish you
Yes.
a very good luck for the
Yeah.
next
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
process. Okay,
Thanks.
thank you, take care, bye.
Yeah, same here.